All right, so I've got a little bit of an issue here. So this is a tap that's misbehaving, and it's at the laundry, and I've just to do a DIY. And I mean, I do try, I dabble into electronics now and then, but plumbing is something completely new to me. So the thing is, when you close, it doesn't completely shut off the water, and then and consequently you get drips. And so I'm trying to replace this. The first thing that I've had to do is to shut off the water valve, and so somewhere there I've shut that off to prevent drips. And initially I got this is a gift, but when I took it out, the whatever you call them, the fitting, the end, you know, where the faucet attaches to the pipe, to the copper pipe, this is a little bit bigger than that, so I've had to go get another one. And if you want to know about prices, I paid 20 rands for this. I mean, this is plastic. I saw this exact replica, the same one, the same replacement, but well, because it's not really a tap that we use often, I reckon that I can use the plastic in the meanwhile. So let's see how long this plastic lasts. So that is what I have. So I'm going to take this out. So I paid 20 rands for that, and this is some thread, that kind of thread, just to help plug any leakage that might want to get out of there. And the tool that I'll be using for this is a wrench, an adjustable wrench. So for someone who is a nerd, you know, I'll be doing this, and I think it's gonna be an easy fix. So come along with me. So the first thing that I've had to do is to take this out. Look it down. So I've taken this out. It was quite easy to take out. All I had to do was use the wrench, adjusted it to the desired size or width, and I gave some yanking, and how did I go? I think I went anti-clockwise, and it came off pretty easy. So let's go to the second part. All right, coming along. So the second thing, this is the plastic faucet, and what I've done so far is to wrap it with now I don't know if you can see this. It is whatever thread seal tape. So I've used it. I mean, it's like a very thin, fine ribbon. And what I can tell you is that it's quite tough. I thought it was something that I could yank apart or tear with my hands, but it wouldn't budge. So I had to cut the tape with a scissor. And I perfectly understand. So this works as a kind of seal. So what's going to happen now is that I am, I don't know, going to work that gently, work it gently clockwise, and it should stand. I mean, you can see the position, but it should be in an upright position, and I think it's pretty upright. I'm not sure if I want to go all the way. I'm a little bit scared because this is plastic, but I think I'll go. And I think after this, I don't think there would be a need for me to use my wrench, because I'm pretty screwing quite tightly, and I must tell you that I'm a little bit scared. It's still in a bit of a slant. Yeah, So I think that's as far as my nerves would allow. And so the white part is obviously the thread. It doesn't look pretty, but it does serve a purpose. So I think that's it. That's my 20 rands, and if you add the cost of the thread, my 25 rand fix, and yeah, then you can get this off, but I'm gonna leave it on. So I think it's done. Let's see how long this plastic faucet would last us. So that's it. I think I'm pretty pleased with myself. I took that off, and I replaced it entirely on my own. So you can. Thank you for watching Slice and Life.